So we're gonna make spring sensory boxes. Hunter is gonna start with her kinetic sand, her gems, and bird's nests and eggs. She can put some of these butterflies in the grass or any of these little chenille chicks and bunnies. The flowers would be cute. Jovi, you show me what you have over here in yours. You've got your kinetic sand.
Yeah.
What color is that?
Green.
Green. And then are you going to use some of these bunny erasers?
Yeah, and the eggs and the
Okay, we're not going to use all of these because we can use those later
I'm
for...
also going to use these little chicks for the mommies.
Oh, that'll be great.
Sitting on the eggs and the bunnies.
Okay.
Hopping to the
So
eggs.
I'm just going to let y'all do however you want to. Have fun with this. They're waiting on their hair to dry because Jovi, where are you going to go tonight?
I'm going to get spring sing with you, Dado, Thatcher, and I think Thing.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think it may just be you and Dad and Marmy. Everybody's backing out. They're wanting to stay home, I believe. Okay. Have fun. So they don't think that there's enough of the green sand. So Jovi's going to do, she's going to take her green sand out. Have a little change of plans.
Yeah, I'm going to take the green sand out and then open this bag of sand, put it in first, and then after it's all nice and neat, I'm gonna put the green sand back in.
I want more sand, but I also don't want to ruin my green sand. Oh,
Well, you can do like a beach with grass beside it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
out.
I'm doing like, I'm pretending this is,
There we go.
this is kind of like
Look
dirt,
at it.
and the
It's
grass
like-
is above it, and this is grass.
Vehicle.
And I'm also going to pretend to make like a little pretend tree with the brown
Yeah, watch.
sand
I'm
and with
gonna
the
do-
bird's nest in
This
it,
is-
then the eggs
This
in it,
one's
then
stickier.
one of the little mommy chickens,
Oh
chick
man, what a good feeling.
birds sitting on the eggs. So
Jovi has a plan. She's got a plan for all of hers too. Hunter, I thought one bag of green sand was going to fill these bins. The bins we have lids because our other sensory bins have lasted and lasted, and they've played and played for years and years with all of our sensory bins. I'm afraid that the ones we made for the crucifixion, the resurrection,
Why would it?
I'm afraid that doesn't have a lid that is airtight. So I may put all of that into a baggie and it'll save and keep too. I don't want it to be used once or even 1 year.
Oh, I gotta mix my so that.
whoa, that's
So you're mixing
so
yours.
weird. It
That's a
looks
different
like
plan.
sand.
Well, I'm mixing it so that I don't have to be upset that it mixes later.
Yeah.
But also, I could really.
It'll look more like real grass probably.
Well, this is weird. It's kind of like
It
glue.
grows. It grows on you.
Because if you're gonna play with a sensory band, you're gonna want to mix them.
Oh, and my grandma painted my nails.
Your grandma?
Yeah,
Who's your grandma?
the woman who's videoing. We call her Marmy.
That's right. Your mama started that, I believe.
Yeah,
She started my name being Marmy Poppins.
This is a lot.
eggs. That will be the
Ooh.
green and purple. No gems. Oops, drop this green one. So the green ones will go in one basket, and the purples will go in the other.
Okay.
Let's
So
see
you're
if there's any more.
doing a little pattern, a little sorting,
Yep.
color sort.
Here's the basket with this. And now I need to get the basket and the purple.
We found so many other things, didn't we? We were going to stuff our eggs with a few of these and a few of these squishy things, squishy Easter eggs. We're trying to save some of everything. Maybe we'll do this with Bible class a few years because we have so much stuff.
Wait, make some that. And maybe I can use some of this sand to cover up the.
So
Like-
you're doing a good job narrating.
Make a little socks inside the nest with
Aw.
a little.
Yeah. I used to hold out gems.
Mercy.
So the mama chick the mama bird got some grass for her eggs to have a softer place to be when they hatch.
Cool.
And I'm not going to mix her up.
So she's guarding the pink eggs.
Yeah, she's
And
guarding
you got
her
these all
eggs.
sorted over here.
And let me get the blue one's eggs. She's neighbors with the other girl.
Jody, you could market this. Somebody would probably buy it. A little different approach, sister.
Really good.
All these little things.
That's fine.
I'm gonna bury them all.
And then you're gonna put the chicks on top.
There's green, red, blue, clear, and an oranges.
Oh, that's
Orangish.
green light that will be. Oh, it's starting to spread. Let me see if we can get a little more like this.
Do it to do it.
That's good.
This
There
one
you
probably have
go.
less.
There you go. Ooh, happy Easter, Jody.